Hey guys, this is a quick video tutorial for the CREDI USDT liquidity provision and xCREDI farm on the Ethereum network within Tokens Farm. To begin, go to tokensfarm.com. Once there, search for xCREDI in the search box and you'll find two farms, one for BNB Chain and one for Ethereum. Click on Ethereum and you will be redirected to the staking menu. First things first, we have to provide the CREDI USDT liquidity, so you'll need to click on Add Liquidity to get CREDI USDT LP tokens. You will be redirected to the Uniswap liquidity provision. To begin the process, we need to connect the desired wallet. For this one, I'm using OKX wallet. After that, you need to write down the desired amount of USDT and CREDI to provide as liquidity. Afterwards, click on Supply and then confirm it within your wallet. Once the transaction is confirmed, we'll have our LP tokens. Go back to Tokens Farm, connect your wallet and write down the amount of LP tokens you'd like to deploy. I'm deploying the max amount available. Click on Approve CREDI USDT, approve the transaction through your wallet, and once it's confirmed, you're all set. You have now successfully provided liquidity and staked your LP tokens. Thanks for watching.